గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మారుతి రామ్ సింగ్, వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ విజయవాడ. ఇవాళ నేను 1200కి పైగా డేట్లకి ఏ వారమో చెప్పబోతున్నాను. అంటే తేదీ చెప్తే ఏ వారమో చెప్పబోతున్నాను. టుడే ఐఎమ్ కమింగ్ విత్ డే ఫర్ ఎ డేట్ విత్ 1200 డేట్స్. ఈ వీడియో పూర్తిగా చూడండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి.
17 February 1900,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
14 July 1900,
సాటర్డే,
27 March 1900,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
27 April 1900,
సాటర్డే,
14 September 1900,
సాటర్డే,
25 November 1900,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
7 January 1900,
సండే,
24 June 1900,
థర్స్డే,
21 October 1900,
సండే,
28 May 1900,
మండే,
6 December 1901,
ఫ్రైడే,
27 April 1901,
సాటర్డే,
13 July 1901,
సాటర్డే,
20 November 1901,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
13 May 1901,
మండే,
6 August 1901,
ట్యూస్డే,
20 October 1901,
సండే,
13 March 1901,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
6 September 1901,
ఫ్రైడే,
27 June 1901,
థర్స్డే,
19 November 1902,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
5 May 1902,
మండే,
12 August 1902,
ట్యూస్డే,
26 December 1902,
ఫ్రైడే,
19 April 1902,
సాటర్డే,
5 October 1902,
సండే,
12 July 1902,
సాటర్డే,
12 September 1902,
ఫ్రైడే,
26 June 1902,
థర్స్డే,
5 March 1902,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
18 January 1903,
సండే,
25 August 1903,
ట్యూస్డే,
11 April 1903,
సాటర్డే,
4 February 1903,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
4 July 1903,
సాటర్డే,
25 September 1903,
ఫ్రైడే,
18 March 1903,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
11 June 1903,
థర్స్డే,
18 May 1903,
మండే,
4 October 1903,
సండే,
23 August 1904,
ట్యూస్డే,
6 January 1904,
సాటర్డే,
2 April 1904,
సాటర్డే,
30 September 1904,
ఫ్రైడే,
9 June 1904,
థర్స్డే,
23 March 1904,
వెడ్నెస్డే,
9 May 1904,
మండే,
16 July 1904,
సాటర్డే,
2 February 1904,
ట్యూస్డే,
30 June 1904,
థర్స్డే,
22 July 1905,
సాటర్డే.
1
Yes, repeat.
22 July 1905.
Saturday,
1 September 1905.
Friday,
29 April 1905.
Saturday,
15 November 1905.
Wednesday,
22 May 1905.
Monday,
15 August 1905.
Tuesday,
8 March 1905.
Wednesday,
29 December 1905.
Friday,
8 June 1905.
Thursday,
1 October 1905.
Sunday,
19 February 1906.
Wednesday,
11 April 1906.
Saturday,
18 August 1906.
Tuesday,
5 July 1906.
Saturday,
11 December 1906.
Friday,
9 May 1906.
Monday,
10 November 1906.
Wednesday,
9 June 1906.
Thursday,
3 September 1906.
Friday,
26 January 1906.
Sunday,
13 October 1907.
Sunday,
6 June 1907.
Thursday,
13 March 1907.
Wednesday,
27 January 1907.
Sunday,
13 August 1907.
Tuesday,
20 July 1907.
Saturday,
6 April 1907.
Saturday,
27 September 1907.
Friday,
20 February 1907.
Wednesday,
6 May 1907.
Monday,
4 January 1908.
Saturday,
11 February 1908.
Tuesday,
18 March 1908.
Wednesday,
4 September 1908.
Friday,
25 June 1908.
Thursday,
18 August 1908.
Tuesday,
4 May 1908.
Monday,
25 October 1908.
Sunday,
11 July 1908.
Saturday,
18 April 1908.
Saturday,
10 May 1909.
Monday,
31 December 1909.
Friday,
17 July 1909.
Saturday,
3 September 1909.
Friday,
24 April 1909.
Saturday,
17 October 1909.
Sunday,
10 June 1909.
Thursday,
24 March 1909.
Wednesday,
3 November 1909.
Wednesday,
31 August 1909.
Tuesday,
30 April 1910.
Saturday,
2 July 1910.
Saturday,
23 February 1910.
Wednesday,
9 September 1910.
Friday,
2 May 1910,
Monday,
30 November 1910,
Wednesday,
16 March 1910,
Wednesday,
9 August 1910,
Tuesday,
23 June 1910,
Thursday,
16 January 1910,
Sunday,
1 June 1911, 1 June,
Thursday,
29 April 1911,
Saturday,
1 November 1911,
repeat,
1 November 1911,
Wednesday,
8 August 1911,
Tuesday,
15 October 1911,
Sunday,
1 December 1911,
Friday,
22 March 1911,
Wednesday,
15 July 1911,
Saturday,
29 September 1911,
Friday,
22 May 1911,
Monday,
6 February 1912,
Tuesday,
13 September 1912,
Friday,
27 April 1912,
Saturday,
20 July 1912,
Saturday,
6 May 1912,
Monday,
20 August 1912,
Tuesday,
27 January 1912,
Saturday,
13 June 1912,
Thursday,
13 October 1912,
Sunday,
6 March 1912,
Wednesday,
19 December 1913,
Friday,
12 April 1913,
Saturday,
5 June 1913,
Thursday,
26 March 1913,
Wednesday,
12 October 1913,
Sunday,
5 August 1913,
Tuesday,
19 May 1913,
Monday,
26 November 1913,
Wednesday,
5 September 1913,
Friday,
26 July 1913,
Saturday,
4 January 1914,
Sunday,
11 May 1914,
Monday,
25 October 1914,
Sunday,
18 February 1914,
Wednesday,
18 July 1914,
Saturday,
4 September 1914,
Friday,
11 April 1914,
Saturday,
18 August 1914,
Tuesday,
4 June 1914,
Thursday,
25 March 1914,
Wednesday,
3 November 1915,
Wednesday,
10 June 1915,
Thursday,
17 August 1915.
Tuesday,
3 April 1915.
Saturday,
24 March 1915.
Wednesday,
10 December 1915.
Friday,
3 May 1915.
Monday,
17 September 1915.
Friday,
17 July 1915.
Saturday,
24 October 1915.
Sunday,
15 March 1916.
Wednesday,
29 June 1916.
Thursday,
8 September 1916.
Friday,
15 January 1916.
Saturday,
22 May 1916.
Monday,
29 August 1916.
Tuesday,
1 October 1916.
Sunday,
15 April 1916.
Saturday,
22 July 1916.
Saturday,
1 February 1916.
Tuesday,
17 March 1917.
Wednesday,
25 May 1917.
Friday,
3 September 1917.
Monday,
2 December 1917.
Sunday,
15 August 1917.
Wednesday,
14 January 1917.
Sunday,
1 June 1917.
Friday,
10 November 1917.
Saturday,
26 April 1917.
repeat,
26 April 1917.
Thursday,
6 February 1917.
Tuesday,
6 September 1918.
repeat,
6 September 1918.
Friday,
27 February 1918.
Wednesday,
13 June 1918.
Thursday,
20 March 1918.
Wednesday,
6 October 1918.
Sunday,
20 January 1918.
Sunday,
27 May 1918.
Monday,
13 July 1918.
Saturday,
20 August 1918.
Tuesday,
6 April 1918.
Saturday,
26 October 1919.
Sunday,
19 April 1919.
Saturday,
5 December 1919.
Friday,
26 June 1919.
Thursday,
12 August 1919.
Tuesday,
5 May 1919.
Monday,
12 November 1919.
Wednesday,
19 September 1919.
Friday,
26 March 1919.
Wednesday,
19 July 1919.
Saturday,
24 April 1920.
Saturday,
31 January 1920.
Saturday,
3 October 1920.
Sunday,
31 August 1920.
Tuesday,
24 June 1920.
Thursday,
10 September 1920.
Friday,
17 May 1920.
Monday,
10 February 1920.
Tuesday,
17 July 1920.
Saturday,
3 March 1920.
Wednesday,
9 December 1921.
Friday,
30 April 1921.
Saturday,
23 October 1921.
repeat,
23 October 1921.
Sunday,
16 May 1921.
Monday,
2 September 1921.
Friday,
23 March 1921.
Wednesday,
9 June 1921.
Thursday,
16 April 1921.
Saturday,
30 November 1921.
Wednesday,
2 August 1921.
Tuesday,
22 April 1922.
Saturday,
1 June 1922.
Thursday,
29 March 1922.
Wednesday,
8 August 1922.
Tuesday,
15 September 1922.
Friday,
29 January 1922.
Sunday,
1 October 1922.
Sunday,
22 May 1922.
Monday,
29 July 1922.
Saturday,
15 February 1922.
Wednesday,
September 1 September 1923.
Saturday,
3 November 1923.
Saturday,
3 March 1923.
Saturday,
25 December 1923.
Tuesday,
5 June 1923.
Tuesday,
25 February 1923.
Sunday,
31 August 1923.
Friday,
4 April 1923.
Wednesday,
4 June 1923.
Monday,
28 November 1923.
repeat,
28 November 1923.
Wednesday,
26 September 1924.
Friday,
5 June 1924.
Thursday,
19 March 1924.
Wednesday,
12 November 1924.
Wednesday,
26 May 1924.
Monday,
19 July 1924.
Saturday,
26 December 1924.
Friday,
12 August 1924.
Tuesday,
12 October 1924.
Sunday,
5 April 1924.
Saturday,
18 September 1925.
repeat,
18 September 1925.
September,
4 May 1925.
Monday,
25 August 1925.
Tuesday,
25 March 1925.
Wednesday,
11 December 1925.
Friday,
4 October 1925.
Sunday,
18 June 1925.
Thursday,
25 July 1925.
Saturday,
11 April 1925.
Saturday,
4 November 1925.
Wednesday,
10 August 1926. 10 August 1926.
Tuesday,
31 May 1926.
Monday,
17 Feb 1926.
Wednesday,
3 June 1926.
Thursday,
24 April 1926.
Saturday,
31 January 1926.
Sunday,
17 September 1926.
Friday,
3 March 1926.
Wednesday,
31 July 1926.
Saturday,
24 October 1926.
Sunday,
23 April 1927.
Saturday,
2 December 1927.
Friday,
9 May 1927.
Monday,
23 March 1927.
Wednesday,
30 June 1927.
Thursday,
16 November 1927.
repeat,
16 November 1927.
Wednesday,
2 August 1927.
Tuesday,
9 October 1927.
Sunday,
16 July 1927.
Saturday,
30 September 1927.
Friday,
31 July 1928.
Tuesday,
20 March 1928.
Tuesday,
26 February 1928.
Sunday,
24 December 1928.
Monday,
13 November 1928.
Tuesday,
29 June 1928.
Friday,
25 January 1928.
Wednesday,
19 September 1928.
Wednesday,
11 April 1928.
Wednesday,
12 October 1928.
Friday,
March 6 March 1929.
6th March. Wednesday,
13 July 1929.
Saturday,
27 May 1929.
Monday,
6 September 1929.
September,
13 January 1929.
Sunday,
20 August 1929.
Tuesday,
27 October 1929.
Sunday,
6 April 1929.
Saturday,
20 June 1929.
Thursday,
13 February 1929.
Wednesday,
26 March 1930.
Thir-
26 March 1930.
Wednesday,
5 July 1930.
Saturday,
12 October 1930.
Sunday,
19 May 1930.
Monday,
12 September 1930.
Friday,
5 December 1930.
Friday,
12 November 1930.
Wednesday,
26 June 1930.
Thursday,
19 August 1930.
Tuesday,
5 April 1930.
Saturday,
25 March 1931.
Wednesday,
4 June 1931.
Thursday,
18 October 1931.
Sunday,
11 April 1931.
Saturday,
25 August 1931.
Tuesday,
11 January 1931.
Sunday,
18 July 1931.
Saturday,
25 May 1931.
Monday,
4 September 1931.
Friday,
18 February 1931.
Wednesday,
2 November 1932.
Wednesday,
30 May 1932.
Monday,
9 August 1932.
Tuesday,
2 October 1932.
Sunday,
23 July 1932.
Saturday,
16 April 1932.
Saturday,
23 September 1932.
Friday,
9 March 1932.
Wednesday,
30 June 1932.
Thursday,
16 December 1932.
Friday,
29 December 1933.
Friday,
8 July 1933.
Saturday,
15 April 1933.
Saturday,
22 September 1933.
Friday,
1 June 1933.
Thursday,
29 January 1933.
Sunday,
8 August 1933.
Tuesday,
22 May 1933.
Monday,
1 October 1933.
Sunday,
15 March 1933.
repeat,
15 March 1933.
Wednesday,
21 November 1934.
Wednesday,
19 January 1934.
Friday,
20 February 1934.
Tuesday,
4 July 1934.
Wednesday,
8 September 1934.
Saturday,
18 December 1934.
Tuesday,
28 April 1934.
Saturday,
22 March 1934.
Thursday,
5 October 1934.
Friday,
29 May 1934.
Tuesday,
13 December 1935.
Friday,
20 June 1935.
Thursday,
27 April 1935.
Saturday,
6 July 1935.
Saturday,
27 September 1935.
Friday,
13 March 1935.
Wednesday,
20 October 1935.
Sunday,
20 October 1935.
Sunday,
6 May 1935.
Monday,
6 August 1935.
Tuesday,
27 November 1935.
Wednesday,
11 May 1936.
Monday,
25 February 1936.
Tuesday,
18 August 1936.
Tuesday,
11 April 1936.
Saturday,
18 July 1936.
Saturday,
4 September 1936.
Friday,
25 January 1936.
Saturday,
4 October 1936.
Sunday,
25 March 1936.
Wednesday,
4 June 1936.
Thursday,
31 July 1937.
Saturday,
17 September 1937.
Friday,
3 March 1937.
Wednesday,
10 May 1937.
Monday,
10 August 1937.
Tuesday,
24 February 1937.
Wednesday,
17 June 1937.
Thursday,
31 January 1937.
Sunday,
3 October 1937.
Sunday,
24 April 1937.
Saturday,
23 January 1938.
Sunday,
16 August 1938.
Tuesday,
9 July 1938.
Saturday,
23 March 1938.
Wednesday,
2 February 1938.
Wednesday,
30 April 1938.
Saturday,
2 October 1938.
Sunday,
16 May 1938.
Monday,
30 June 1938.
Thursday,
9 September 1938.
Friday,
2 February 1939.
Wednesday,
29 June 1939.
repeat,
29 June 1939.
Thursday,
22 April 1939.
Saturday,
1 September 1939.
Friday,
15 January 1939.
Sunday,
8 August 1939.
Tuesday,
15 October 1939.
Sunday,
29 July 1939.
Saturday,
1 March 1939.
Wednesday,
22 May 1939.
Monday,
8 February 1939.
Wednesday,
20 November 1940.
Wednesday,
27 July 1940.
Saturday,
13 April 1940.
Saturday,
6 September 1940.
Friday,
20 December 1940.
Friday,
27 August 1940.
Tuesday,
20 May 1940.
Monday,
27 October 1940.
Sunday,
13 March 1940.
Wednesday,
6 June 1940.
Thursday,
19 March 1941.
Wednesday,
12 July 1941.
Saturday,
5 January 1941.
Sunday,
26 September 1941.
Friday,
12 May 1941.
Monday,
19 October 1941.
Sunday,
5 June 1941.
Thursday,
19 February 1941.
Wednesday,
5 August 1941.
repeat,
5 August 1941.
Tuesday,
26 April 1941.
Saturday,
11 May 1942.
Monday,
18 November 1942.
Wednesday,
25 July 1942.
Saturday,
11 September 1942.
Friday,
4 March 1942.
Wednesday,
25 June 1942.
Thursday,
18 August 1942.
Tuesday,
11 October 1942.
Sunday,
25 December 1942.
Friday,
4 April 1942.
Saturday,
10 April 1943.
Saturday,
17 October 1943.
Sunday,
24 June 1943.
Thursday,
3 January 1943.
Sunday,
31 May 1943.
Monday,
17 September 1943.
Friday,
10 February 1943.
Wednesday,
24 August 1943.
Tuesday,
3 March 1943.
Wednesday,
31 July 1943.
Saturday,
8 November 1944.
Wednesday,
1 April 1944.
Saturday,
29 August 1944.
Tuesday,
15 October 1944.
Sunday,
1 June 1944.
Thursday,
8 September 1944.
Friday,
15 March 1944.
Wednesday,
22 December 1944.
Friday,
29 July 1944.
Saturday,
22 May 1944.
Monday,
1 February 1945.
Thursday,
22 November 1945.
Thursday,
11 June 1945.
Monday,
19 May 1945.
Saturday,
14 August 1945.
Tuesday,
21 December 1945.
Friday,
9 January 1945.
Tuesday,
8 April 1945.
Sunday,
15 February 1945.
Thursday,
18 September 1945.
Tuesday,
20 June 1946.
Thursday,
6 February 1946.
Wednesday,
27 August 1946.
Tuesday,
13 April 1946.
Saturday,
20 October 1946.
Sunday,
27 May 1946.
Monday,
13 July 1946.
Saturday,
6 March 1946.
Wednesday,
5 May 1947.
Monday,
19 September 1947.
Friday,
12 July 1947.
Saturday,
26 November 1947.
Wednesday,
19 March 1947.
Wednesday,
5 October 1947.
Sunday,
26 August 1947.
Tuesday,
19 April 1947.
Saturday,
12 December 1947.
Friday,
5 June 1947.
Thursday,
3 February 1948.
Tuesday,
17 June 1948.
repeat,
17 June 1948.
Thursday,
10 April 1948. April 1948.
Saturday,
24 September 1948.
Friday,
31 January 1948.
Saturday,
17 July 1948.
Saturday,
10 October 1948.
Sunday,
24 May 1948.
Monday,
3 August 1948.
Tuesday,
31 March 1948.
Wednesday,
9 March 1949.
Wednesday,
30 June 1949.
repeat,
30 June 1949.
Thursday,
16 September 1949.
Friday,
23 April 1949.
Saturday,
2 October 1949.
Sunday,
30 August 1949.
Tuesday,
9 November 1949.
Wednesday,
16 May 1949.
Monday,
2 December 1949.
Friday,
23 July 1949.
Saturday,
8 April 1950.
Saturday,
29 June 1950.
Thursday,
15 January 1950.
Sunday,
22 August 1950.
Tuesday,
1 July 1950.
Saturday,
29 December 1950.
Friday,
15 September 1950.
Friday,
8 May 1950.
Monday,
1 October 1950.
Sunday,
22 March 1950.
Wednesday,
23 May 1951.
Monday, yes, repeat,
23 May 1951.
Tuesday,
16 January 1951.
16,
January.
Tuesday,
17 December 1951.
Monday,
9 July 1951.
Monday,
6 June 1951.
Wednesday,
23 May 1951.
Wednesday,
11 January 1951.
Thursday,
4 September 1951.
Tuesday,
27 April 1951.
Friday,
23 November 1951.
Friday,
12 March 1952.
Wednesday,
19 July 1952.
Saturday,
26 February 1952.
Tuesday,
5 August 1952.
Tuesday,
19 June 1952.
Thursday,
12 January 1952.
Saturday,
26 September 1952.
Friday,
19 May 1952.
Monday,
5 October 1952.
Sunday,
26 April 1952.
Saturday,
18 June 1953.
Thursday,
4 March 1953.
Wednesday,
11 September 1953.
repeat,
11 September 1953.
Friday,
25 December 1953.
Friday,
4 April 1953.
Saturday,
18 November 1953.
Wednesday,
11 August 1953.
Tuesday,
25 October 1953.
Sunday,
11 May 1953.
Monday,
4 July 1953.
Saturday,
31 July 1954.
Saturday,
24 October 1954.
Sunday,
3 January 1954.
Sunday,
17 March 1954.
Wednesday,
3 August 1954.
Tuesday,
10 February 1954.
Wednesday,
10 June 1954.
Thursday,
24 April 1954.
Saturday,
17 September 1954.
Friday,
31 May 1954.
Monday,
30 May 1955.
Monday,
2 November 1955.
Wednesday,
9 August 1955.
Tuesday,
2 March 1955.
Wednesday,
16 July 1955.
Saturday,
9 September 1955.
Friday,
23 April 1955.
Saturday,
16 October 1955.
Sunday,
30 December 1955.
Friday,
23 June 1955.
Thursday. Remaining video will continue in part 2. Thank you very much.